Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,831, the upper gun deck. If the crew breaches this, we're sailing into blue skies and uncharted waters. Value area low, VAL, 6826, the waterline. Below here, the hull is breached and we're taking on water. Point of control, POC, 6829, the captain's wheel, where the fleet spent most of the battle maneuvering. Support zone, 682, 4 to 6826, the reinforced hull plating. Holding here keeps the ship afloat. Resistance zone, 6831 to 6834, the crow's nest and enemy fire. Hard to climb without heavy reinforcements. Single prints, escape paths. Lower, 6,820 to 6,824. A whirlpool of despair. If we sink past the day's keel, expect a rapid descent. Upper, 6,834 to 6,836. Escaping the blockade? Clear skies ahead if we break the enemy line. Market context. Today's profile looks like a tight skirmish. The fleet is currently listing to starboard, having spent the session battling between 6,824 and 6,834. The current price of 6,825 sits ominously just below the waterline, VAL, suggesting the mutineers, sellers, are gaining the upper hand. The sea of ED is leaking oil. Overall, it's a tight balance with a bearish tilt. 3-day voyage on the high seas. November 25th, POC 6718, VAL 6698, VAH 6741. We set sail from the harbor with strong tailwinds. November 26th, POC 6798, VAL 6784, VAH 6831. The fleet advanced north, claiming new territory. November 27th, POC 6829, VAL 6826, VAH 6831. The battle stalled at the previous high marks, and we are now fighting to keep the deck dry. Value hoisted aggressively over 2 days but has now dropped anchor. Acceptance below 6,826 signals a retreat to repair the mast at lower levels. Volume analysis. Cumulative, volume delta. CVD, breakdown. Session open. CVD negative, 384 contracts. The morning fog lifted to reveal a slight enemy advantage. Intraday peak. Buying. CVD climbed to 976. A brief volley of cannon fire from the bulls. Current CVD, negative 1,728 net, negative 1,344 from open. The bilge pumps are failing, and sellers are swarming the deck. Intraday low, CVD, low, negative 2,013. The morale bottomed out as the bears struck the hull. Interpretation. The selling pressure is heavy like a wet sail. Any attempt to rally needs a fresh wind of buying volume to avoid capsizing. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Only upon recapturing the deck at VAL. 6,826 to 6,828. Stop loss. Below the keel at 6,824 or use average. True range, ATR, approximately 5 points. Profit target. Initial loot at POC, 6,829. Treasury at VAH, 6,831. Short trades. Entry zone. On breakdown of the hull, 6,825, or rejection at the mast, 6,831. Stop loss. above the crow's nest at 6,834, or ATR, above entry. Profit target, POC of yesterday, 6,798. If the ship sinks, position sizing. Don't bet the whole galleon on one skirmish. Risk 1% of the chest per trade. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Walk the plank. The hull breaches at 6,824 and the crew abandons ship. Setup. Shorter break. Below 6,824. Stop at 6,827. Target deep waters at 6,810. Scenario B. Repel boarders. The crew patches the hull at 6,824 and reclaims the deck at 6,826. Setup. Long the reclaim of 6,826, stop at 6,823. Target the captain's wheel at 6,829. Scenario C. Mutiny at the top. Price rallies to the upper deck, but 6,831, but runs out of powder. Setup. Short rejection at 6,831. Stop 6,835. Target return to the waterline at 6,826. Scenario D. Full sail breakout. A gust of wind blows us past the blockade at 6,834. Setup. Long above 6,834. Stop 6,830. Target blue ocean at 6,845. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.